Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Hyundai Santa Fe 1.6 HT GDi Ultimate 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is a petrol hybrid, it has an automatic transmission and it is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your full LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the silver exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid. Once open, you can see this car does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. And when those extra seats are down, you can see that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the black quilted Napa leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that 5th passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found it, you are able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. You also have Petrol speakers, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 28,956 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. This vehicle also features head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple Maps or Google Maps or listen to your own music. And a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, as well as ventilated seats, ideal for both hot and summer months, along with cold winter ones. You also have a heated steering wheel as well. This has been a presentation on a Hyundai Santa Fe 1.6 HT GDi Ultimate 4-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.